I think maybe one of the positive things that happened during this COVID time is that we had more time to think and reflect upon what is important for us, to feel more gratitude for those things that are important for us. So in that way I also feel when you come to a place like this, it's really also makes you grateful. The nature can sometimes make you grateful, and that's quite an important thing about it. And this thing that no matter how the year has been, no matter how hard it's been, or how nice it's been, or whatever happened, spring is always coming. There's also something new that is coming with all the hope and all the life that brings into it. And I think that's really important.